English vocab. Biomes. Desert. Desert. What animal lives in the desert? Swamp. Swamp. What animal lives in the swamp? Ocean. Ocean. What animal lives in the ocean? Mountain. Mountain. What animal lives in the mountain? Savanna. Savanna. What animal lives in the savanna? Tundra. Tundra. What animal lives in the tundra? Forest. Forest. What animal lives in the forest? River. River. What animal lives in the river? Jungle. Jungle. What animal lives in the jungle? Arctic. Arctic. What animal lives in the Arctic?
Quiz time! Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What is this? Jungle or forest? Forest. What is this? River or ocean? River. What is this? Savanna or desert? Desert. What is this? Tundra or Arctic? Tundra. What is this? Swamp or mountain? Mountain. What is this? Savanna or forest? Savanna. What is this? Swamp or forest? Swamp. What is this? Jungle or mountain? Jungle. What is this? Arctic or river? Arctic. What is this? Ocean or desert? Ocean.